It's summertime, so it's time to make a summer dessert. I'm gonna make something called Watergate Salad Pie. It's basically all the ingredients in a Watergate salad, but in a pie. Let's do it. Grab a bowl. We need to add a box of pistachio pudding mix, a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the juice, and an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Stir to combine. I'm going to add 2 cups of mini marshmallows. At this point, you could also add a cup of nuts, like walnuts or pecans. Mix those in. I just made a basic graham cracker crust that I'm going to pour this all into. And now you just chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or even overnight. The origin of Watergate salad actually doesn't have a real origin. They don't know which one it actually is. It could have been something that was created by Kraft, who made a pistachio delight salad and wanted to make a new name, so they called it Watergate salad because it was during the scandal and they wanted to get some people searching their recipes. It could have been based on a salad that was created at the Watergate Hotel that is a salad similar to an ambrosia salad. It also could have been a recipe based on a cake called Watergate cake that they said they took all the ingredients from the cake and turned it into a salad. Or it could have been created by a famous person, Helen Keller, in 1922, who did make a similar salad with these similar ingredients. Who knows? This video is part of a collaboration celebrating summer desserts that's hosted by my pals Christie's Farmhouse, and I'm merely Melissa. Go check them out and check the playlist in my description to see a whole bunch of summer desserts. And here we have it, folks, Watergate pie. Let's try it. I love it. I love that pistachio pudding flavor. The pineapple, amazing, and the graham cracker crust, ooh, really tops it off. This is a wonderful summer dessert. So happy to be part of this collaboration. Now go check out more summer desserts. My parents sent me to mime school one summer. I still can't talk about it.